to our True apartment rooms here at our newest property, True Liverpool. These rooms are great for people if you want to come and live with us and meet some new friends, because this room is with a shared kitchen and a lounge. So you get a beautiful luxury style ensuite bedroom, and then you share your kitchen and cooking facilities with 5 other students. So it's great if you want to come here, if you want to make new friends, because you certainly will with your new neighbours. These rooms are really nice style and they're really nice and spacious. They are around 14 square metres in size and offers you a great living space. Whether you want to sleep, chill in your room, or of course study, there's a great opportunity for you here. So these rooms, as you can see, have a double size bed. These beds come with a true luxury mattress as well, so you will certainly have a great night's sleep when you're staying here. Then over on this side, you can see that you have a super large desk space. So whilst you're staying with us, you will be studying, and we know that that's so important. So we wanted to facilitate you with a great study area in your room. So here you've got a great size desk. You have a pin board to the back which you can put up photos, posters, your university timetable. You make this space unique to how you would like it. Up here you've got 2 really large shelves. And then down here you have a waste paper bin, which we will supply you with, and a really good, very comfortable study chair with a great back support for when you're doing those late night studying. Over here to the side you will see you have plug sockets, great for charging your laptop, but they also come with USB ports. These are really good for charging your phone, your iPad, your appliances and stuff like that. Then down here you've got even more shelving and storage. So you've got a long size bedside table here, you've got true drawers and then more shelving to the side there, and of course a big shelf to the top, so great to put your book down after you've been reading at night. Moving on into this space again, so this bed is an ottoman bed. So what that simply means is you can lift up the bed super easily, and there's tons of storage down there for you to use. You can put your large suitcases, you can put boxes, which we've done here. You can hide all the stuff away that you don't want in your room space. And again, really easy to lift up and down. Then on this side, you can see that we have a wall-mounted panel heater. This is what's going to keep you nice and warm in the winter. You can control the temperature just from the top of this heater here and make it as hot or as cold as you would like your room to be. Then coming to the back, you can see that you have a fully blackout curtain. Great for if you want in a bit of a lie-in on a Saturday morning, or if you want a bit of an afternoon nap. It will shut out all the lights, so it'll keep your room really nice and dark if you wish it to be. Then if you open it on up, you will see you have a great window space. This window can open as well, so it provides you some fresh air for the room as well. Ignore all the scaffolding. We are a brand new property and we will be ready for September 2021. So of course the lads are out there making sure it's looking perfect for when you move in with us. So moving back on into the room space, away from the bedroom area, you can see that you have a full-size mirror. Great for making sure you're looking good from your wardrobe before you head to university. Then on the other side, you have your wardrobe space. So you can see to the top here, you've got a rail where you can put all your hanging items. You have 2 large shelves to the top, and then down below you have 3 further large shelves. And then last but not least, your ensuite bathroom. So all our rooms here come with an ensuite bathroom because we don't believe in sharing bathrooms. We wouldn't like to, and I'm sure you wouldn't either. These bathrooms are beautiful. They're fully tiled throughout. There's a lovely toilet, a shelf here and a towel rail. The shelves are great for putting your perfumes or anything like that you'd like on there. You then also get a sink, a mirror and then a shower. Just going to take the camera off the lovely cameraman. You can see the sink area here. You have a mirror there, and here is your shower space. So your bathroom is situated very close to your front door, which you can see here. This is the door you come into when you're obviously coming off your corridor. There's a peephole in there as well, so great, so you can have a look at who might be knocking on your door before you open it on up. And here you can see you have the bag hooks. Really good for hanging up your bag or even your coat when you're coming from university in the evening. So thank you so much for staying in tune with our brand new filming of our True apartment room type. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, please log on and get in contact with one of our True staff.